This is just funny.
All right, good response, good response. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest, and relax your forehead. Now imagine yourself in the middle of a beautiful field of flowers. The smell is sweet. The colors are all of your favorites. You are perfectly relaxed. The sky is blue with only small puffs of white clouds. You look around and see a small dirt road leading into the most beautiful grove of trees. So you knock again, a little louder. Now you hear a muffled sound coming from far inside the house. You open the door and see steps leading down. You hear the muffled sound a little louder now, coming from beneath the stairs. You walk very slowly towards the sound in the darkness. Then
I almost went to sleep. I was getting ready to go to sleep.
okay, there's a reaction. Everybody back here jumped pretty good.
Wow.
I knew you were going to scream. That's why I didn't do it.
It didn't scare me. I just came out. I was ready to sleep. I saw that coming.
And on the floor.
I was almost asleep. I was like, yeah, okay, this is good. So I hear them like, oh, freak.
Guess who else responded? Yes, Miss Benton.
I didn't do it.
They're in a conference next door, so she's making sure everybody's all right. Everybody jump.
Yes.
If you
I
jump,
heard the sound. I just kept my eyes closed.
No, I was opening my eyes. I'm like, what the heck?
if you jump, then you are the one I want to have with me in an emergency. Because that means your adrenaline has pumped into your bloodstream and you are ready to respond. That was the stimulus. The scream. What was your response?
Oh, it cracked.
All right, sitting up straight, opening your eyes, clenching. My salivary glands are not producing saliva right now. Okay, because that noradrenaline recorded this, and I want to share it with y'all. But I have something else for you. I have brought one of my toy boxes, and in the toy box I have a bunch of stress balls and stress putty and stuff to help to get you back to your peaceful place. Sit down. I will come around with it. Putties and stress balls help relieve stress. So today I brought my toy box full of stress relief.
I was trying to get out of my face.
Realize that and the other chemical is being released into your body. All right, stress relief. There it is.
Watch this.
Oh, no. I don't like that. Why?
Hunter, you need to watch it, son, if you want to get it.
I see that stuff.
But it makes you jump anyway, doesn't it? All right, even if you know it's coming.
I need to video that.
Anticipation. You can tell that someone lives there. You decide to go up to the house to see if anyone there could give you a drink of water. You walk up to the house and the 3 broken steps to the front, and you knock. No one answers your knock, so you knock again, a little louder.
Oh my God!
Somebody
remember her video.
Oh, and you take a heartbeat?
That's right. You're doing, sir.
I remember the video.
You just feel mine.
Why is it always me?
Oh, I love you, darling.
Love you, too.
Miss Potter wasn't expecting it either.
All right, so guys,
I remember.
what was your reaction? Whose reaction was the best?
Oh my God! Don't watch it.
Mine, guys, mine.
It's always me.
That is good.
It's always
That is
me.
good. That is good.
Cringed. I was like,
Okay. Do y'all want to watch it?
It's close your eyes and stuff.
No, you gotta watch this one.
Wait, I want to watch it. It's a Chevy.
Oh. I have really. Shush.
Can I cut the light off?